Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to draw Reze from Chainsaw Man through some little guidelines. So let's start the video. I have drawn two lines of 9.5 centimeters and 7.9, and the distance of 7.9 centimeter line on 9.5 centimeter line from the bottom is 3.9 centimeter, and I have drawn an oval around this line, and these two lines are for jawline, and I draw this line for eyes of 0.25 centimeters with distance, and the previous distances are the distances of nose, are the distances of eyes from nose to lips, and lips to chin, etc. And now I'm drawing the eye in these two lines. I removed a centimeter because I'm drawing these eyes, nose and lips now. Draw the second eye. As same as the first eye. The distance of this V of hair is just 2 centimeters from the eye. Draw this layer of hair between these two eyes, almost to the jawline. Draw another hair layer. Now I'm drawing a little nose. That's not too difficult to draw. Now I'm drawing her mouth. You have not to draw proper lips, just draw mouth like this. Now I'm drawing the hairs, drawing jawline. Now with the help of these two lines that I drawn before, now I'm making the head and the hairs. Draw the hair of second side. Draw layers like this and draw a little one. Now I'm drawing ear at the height of the eye. Draw neck, and for draw the collar, draw across and draw two lines at the shoulders and join these two lines, making another line. Now I'm going to draw tie or knot. I'm drawing this band on her neck. Now I'm drawing the shoulders and dress and this is the arm. Now I'm drawing hand with an easy way. Draw a line of 2 cm and draw an round shape 2 lines, and then draw a line of 2.5 centimeters. Then draw a second line, some straight as compared to the first line of 2.3 centimeter, just a little small from the first line, and the third line is 1.3 centimeter. Draw a square and then make it round. Now draw proper fingers with the help of these straight lines. Now draw the first finger by using these 2 round lines, and I think it is easy way to draw a hand of this shape. Now I'm drawing a ring in her finger, drawing the left arm now. Drawing eyebrows on both sides. Now I'm coloring black with 5B pencil in the tie and the band, neck band, by leaving some white places in the tie to separate every layer, as you can see in the video. Now I'm using my HB simple pencil for shading, coloring in the eyes with HB and doing shadings. Why my video is blurring again. Shading in hand, shading in the neck. First shade this whole part like this equal, and then draw some dark shading at this point. Now I'm give detailing some to the mouth. Now I'm shading with pencil in the face at different areas. Now I'm making hair. Draw some rough hairs at the end parts. Now I'm coloring in her collar. Shade like this. Shading in her shirt. Draw some straight lines like this, and these are dark too, giving margin of shading. I'm drawing the outlines to separate everything. Again giving straight lines as the first side. Giving some shadows. Now I'm coloring in the elbow. Shading in the ear. Now I'm drawing here with my 2B pencil because I'm not supposed to draw them too dark, but they're black too. Draw some lines like this first in the hairs before shading or coloring black in them. And these lines will be more dark than the whole hairs. Draw some rough hairs at the end of the previous hairs. Again drawing some rough hairs at this point too. Again drawing lines in the hairs. Draw anywhere you want. Now I'm shading in the hairs at different parts, just leaving these lines. Shade darker at the forehead part for some shine or to give the realistic look, and darker to the lower parts. As you can see in the video, I'm shading dark at the side or lower parts and shading light at the forehead area. Just like that. Shade dark. And more dark at the lower parts. It is like just to color black at these areas. Now I am coloring black in these lines that I had done before. Leave this ring and color black in the hairs. Looking good. Now I'm blending. At every part that I have shaded. Shading in the face. Give some dark shadings around the nose as compared to the face. Again giving some detailings to the mouth. Drawing outlines now as well as of the hand. And also giving some blending with pencil. Now I'm shading in the hairs and ear and my need your drawing from the surroundings, and don't forget to write your name at the end of the sketch. Now my sketch is complete, and if you like my video then don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video and please recommend more characters. Allah Hafiz.